Remember, this particular video has 555 views before we ordered the views here, and if we go back right here, you can still confirm right here that it has 555 views right here. So all we need to do right here is for us to refresh, and we just need to refresh, and boom, as you can see right here, we have 12,800k views. You can see right here 12.8k views, which means 12,800 views, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys this TikTok Instagram booster that is trending right now. It's very easy to use. It's called growbetter.net. All you need to do is to come to this platform, come to the website, and create an account. The link is in the description. So let me show you guys how to create an account and how to use it. All you need to do right here is for you to come down right here and tap on this sign up right here. Can you see this sign up right here? You can see it clearly. Just tap on it. Then it's going to bring you right here. You are going to be creating a username and putting your email right here, and your password. Create a password and confirm the password you created, and also come to this I'm not a robot right here, and tap on it here, and tap on this sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy, right? So this is exactly how to actually create an account in the platform. Because I already have an account, there is no need for me to start creating a new account. What I need to do right now is to log in and continue showing you guys how to use this TikTok views booster. So welcome back, guys. I've logged into my account, right? The first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category right here, and you see this category, just tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see this Instagram follower, Instagram like, and all these things. These are other services you can actually get in this platform. You can get Instagram likes, all that social media platform, even Facebook followers, and all those things in this platform. But today, let's go and look for TikTok views. So let's go, and as you can see right here, you can see TikTok views right here. Can you see this TikTok views right here? Tap on it, and the next you need to do is to come to this service right here. Can you see this service? Just tap on it, and you can see different services. Just select any one that you want, and come to this play the road link and insert your post link, the post that you want the views to go to, right? Don't use your profile link, use your post link, the post you want the views to go to, right? So let's go to TikTok and get a link. So let me first refresh to know the video we are going to be using. So in the second row, you can see this, the last one in the second row, which is this video with 555 views. So that's what we're going to be boosting here. So it's important for us to mark it now, because we're going to come back and check if these views are already reflected. So we just need to tap on it, and for us to copy link, we just need to come to this three dots right here. Can you see these three dots right here? And tap on it, and right here copy the link. Tap on this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? And tap on it, and the link is copied. Then we just need to go back to GrowBetter and paste the link, and come right here, the root quantity, and put the amount of views we want. So we're going to be putting 10,000, and once you start 10,000 views, and the next thing we need to do, and the next thing we need to do is for us to just click on this submit right here. Can you see the submit? Just tap on it, and right here you can see they say your order have been received, right? Easy peasy. So all we need to do is just to wait, and this video will start coming into that post. But firstly, I just want you guys to understand that whatever we're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually use this platform. How do you now fund account in this platform? You need to come and click on this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and by your left hand side you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? You need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next you need to do basically is for you to just come and click on this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? You need to tap on it, and it will display two payment methods in this platform. First one is QuadraPay, second one is manual. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use both, so sit tight. So let's start with QuadraPay. You don't need to, once you select QuadraPay, come and insert the amount you want, and then click on this pay. And once you click on the pay, right, it's going to be taking you to a place where QuadraPay will ask you how would you like to pay with bank transfer, pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, pay with bank. If you select pay with debit card, you need to put your card details right here and click on pay, and it will be paid. And if you want to use bank transfer, just select this bank transfer, and read this instruction right here and tell them I understand the instruction, and click on continue. And QuadraPay is going to provide account number you're going to be making payment to. All you need to do is just to make payment to the account number, and you don't need to do anything. The thing is going to rotate, and your account is going to be funded. Or if you, let me show you guys how to use manual. Right, so you don't need to select manual here, and when you select manual, you can see the instruction right here. They say, can you make payment to the account number below? You can see the account number, you can see the first bank, and you can see the beneficiary. They say, do not send below 1,000, it won't be refunded. They say, provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Easy peasy. So all you need to do basically is for you to click on this contact us right here. Can you see this contact us right here? Or click on this WhatsApp icon right here. You can see this WhatsApp icon, and it will take you to the WhatsApp. Send your proof of payment to them, and they are going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to TikTok to check if the views that we boosted is already counting. Remember, this particular video has 555 views before we ordered the views here, and if we go back right here, you can still confirm right here that it has 555 views right here. So all we need to do right here is for us to refresh, and we just need to refresh, and boom, as you can see right here, we have 12,800k views. You can see right here 12.8k views, which means 12,800 views, right? So this is exactly how to use this TikTok views booster to actually boost your TikTok views. Easy peasy. Yeah, so all you need to do is to go to this website. The link is in the description. Tap on it and it will take you to the website. Create an account and do the same thing I just did in this video, and you'll be able to get this view. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.